Meaning of egalitarianism.
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 Egalitarianism. Egalitarianism is a belief system that advocates for equal social, political, and economic rights for all individuals, regardless of their race, gender, or socioeconomic status. This means that everyone should have access to the same opportunities and resources, and that no one should be discriminated against or disadvantaged based on their background or identity. The ultimate goal of egalitarianism is to create a fair and just society where everyone is treated with dignity and respect, and where there are no barriers to achieving one's full potential.